How do you tighten lug nuts correctly? Have you ever wondered how to tighten lug nuts the right way? This is an important skill for any teenager who drives or owns a car. Knowing how to do this can help you stay safe on the road, especially if you face a tire blowout or other roadside emergencies. Let's break down the steps to ensure your wheels are securely attached. First, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual. This manual provides the recommended torque specification for your lug nuts, usually measured in foot-pounds. Each vehicle is different, so this step is essential. Next, position the wheel onto the hub. Make sure it is centered and seated properly. This is crucial for the lug nuts to fit correctly. After that, start by tightening the lug nuts by hand. This initial step helps align the wheel with the hub and ensures a snug fit. Now it is time to grab a torque wrench. Set it to the recommended torque level from your manual. Begin tightening each lug nut slowly. You will feel or hear a click when the desired torque is reached. This click is your signal that the nut is tight enough. To ensure even pressure, use a star or crisscross pattern when tightening the lug nuts. Start with one lug nut, then move to the next one diagonally. This method helps distribute pressure evenly across the wheel. Once you have tightened all the lug nuts, perform a final check. Make sure each nut is properly seated and that the wheel is securely attached. Lower the vehicle to the ground and gently shake the wheel to confirm it is secure. For teenagers, safety is key. Always wear protective gloves and safety glasses when working with tools. It is also smart to keep a basic toolkit in your vehicle, including a lug wrench and a spare tire. Regularly checking your lug nuts is a good habit, especially after driving on rough roads or following a tire change. By following these steps, you can ensure your vehicle's wheels are safely secured. This knowledge not only keeps you safe but also makes dealing with roadside emergencies much less stressful. Remember, being prepared is the best way to handle any situation on the road.